Hi, I've gotten several links that have been turned into me on Blackboard that are for blog entries or neuro notes that are going about giving me the wrong URL. So I'm unable to access that blog entry. So I thought I'd walk you through the process just so you'll know how to most easily do that and then submit it as a live link that I can click straight on and it'll take me right to that entry. So this is my assistive technology blog. It's stephanielancasterot.wordpress.com. And if I wanted to turn in a specific entry, what I need to do once I go to the home page here is scroll down till I see that entry. So I want to do 10 things to know about modifying activities and assistive technology. I'm going to click on the title of that so that that's really the only post shown on this page. Then to make sure that I'm giving somebody the correct link for that instead of the link that I use to modify the blog, I'm going to copy that URL in the top hand toolbar. Okay, then I'm going to shrink that and I'm going to go to Blackboard, to the assignments, and go to the neuro notes, and then I'm going to click on that, and then if I were going to turn that in, I would click on that neuro note, and then I still have on my clipboard the link that I copied and pasted. So all I'm going to do is click then write submission, and I'm going to paste that URL right there in that box. Now notice the way it doesn't light up blue. Here's a little trick to how you can get that link to be live. Once I paste it in, I highlight it, and then I'm going to click on this chain link right here. Watch this. It'll open up a page, and all I have to do where it says link path is copy it again. I like to make it open in a new window, but you can just leave it open in the same window if you want, and then you click insert. Now notice how that link is blue. That means it's a live link or a hyperlink that's going to take someone who clicks on it straight to the page. So then once you have that done, you just hit submit. All right, I think it's saying it's not saved because I'm not really a student in there, so it's not really going to let me do it, but that's exactly how you do it. So if you have questions, check around with some of the more tech-savvy students in your class, and if you're still stuck, ask me and I'll walk you through it in person. Thanks.